Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Kiwi Van Man. That's me. You can call me William. My full name is Barry William Edwards, but I quite like William, so I go by William. So call me William. Now this is just a short video, a short announcement to say that on Wednesday I'm going to be here streaming live on this channel, and I invite you all to come along. If you enjoy camping, if you're making a camping van, if you're buying a camping van, if you're interested in getting started, or maybe you just have some questions around the green sticker or the new toilet regulations, this Wednesday 8 p.m. I'm going to be here streaming live, and through the chat you can type a message and we can talk, and you can ask me questions. We can talk about anything regards camping, okay, particular small camper vans. I'm not that qualified and au fait with the big $200,000 RVs and caravans. My area of expertise is mostly around the small freedom camper vans, but by all means you are all welcome to come along to the stream, have a look, have a listen, and ask questions and chat about something if you wish. I will be here, I'm not sure for how long, maybe 30 minutes, maybe an hour. We'll just see how popular this live streaming chat business is. But if you're building a van or you're doing something around camping, come along to the stream 8 p.m. Wednesday evening. We may even make it regular and have a meet up and a chat around the campfire every Wednesday night. That would be fun. And I really look forward to seeing you. So tell all your friends, spread it around the social media, put it all over your Facebook, Twitter, anywhere you want. Tell everyone they are all welcome to come this Wednesday 8 p.m. to this channel. Just look along the titles at the top, the menu, home, videos, playlist, community. Look for live, click on live, and click the like, okay? Click the like is very important. Make a comment on the channel. That is very, very important. And let's just make this a special little meeting place for us camper vanners, okay? For us small camper vanners, let's make this a special place where we can come along, just chat, ask questions, and talk about issues and things that we like to talk about around camping. Okay guys, that's it, a short one today. Spread the news. See you all on Wednesday evening 8 p.m. right here on this channel. Take care guys, keep safe, keep warm. Over and out.